In this video, I will show you how to share YouTube channel link. To get started, what you want to do is head over to youtube.com and make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Now, once you've done that, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your YouTube profile icon, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto YouTube Studio. Now, once you're in your studio, what you need to do is come over to the left-hand side and click onto customization. From here, what you need to do is scroll down, and if you keep scrolling down until you get to your channel URL, so this is actually your unique channel ID and your channel link. So you've also got a custom URL here as well, so you can use any of these, which is basically your channel link. You can see there's a copy button, so we can click the copy button, and then if I open up a new tab, paste that and hit enter, you can see this is going to direct us directly to your YouTube channel. So of course, once you've copied that, you can send that wherever you need to and share your YouTube channel link. So that is how to share YouTube channel link. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.